Hi everyone, welcome back to Frank's World Farms, and today we've got another day on Westwood Farm, day 44 I think. So we've got the New Holland muck spread in this big field today. Well, the New Holland was muck spreading, it was just coming into the field with the first load, and then it's been abandoned there because he spotted that the sheep were a bit unsettled. So we've seen that there's all the sheep are grouped up together, and there's one dead sheep in the corner of the field. Now up in this corner of the field there's a black dog with another sheep cornered, so we've coming up on the bike now, and then just behind that there's the other farmer in the gator and the man who comes shooting to come with his gun, and we might have to shoot the dog maybe if we can't catch it, so we'll see how that goes. In the shed the Ford's parked up now, and the wrapper's parked up for the, well, there will be some more wrapping to do. The rake's still just abandoned there though. Over in the yard, the then is ready to fill the muck spreader again, it's just filled it up, but it might be waiting a while now. The lambs are still in the field over there, and we haven't had any more to auction yet. Then over in the shed, the bale's tucked away in there at the moment, but soon we'll take it out again to do some more second crop in a week or two for someone. The bobcat's still just parked up. And over in the cow field, we still haven't moved the cows to the field at the other side of the road. The tups are still just in there, so next video we might be moving the cows out of there. Yeah, I think that's it. And over there we have just protecting the carriers off the fence and put them away neatly down there. Yeah. So yeah, I'll just get a view over here of what's happening. You know, I can't really see because of the sun. There we go, it's better, because it is quite frosty morning. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.